Here is how you can apply for the EBB program. Start by clicking the green Get Started button. Once you're on this page, enter your zip code and email address, then click on the Enroll Now button. There are 4 steps you will need to do to enroll. Fill out your personal information on page 1, then click Next. On page 2, select which program you're currently enrolled in. You can click the button that says Click here for more programs to see more options. Once you choose the program, you will be asked to select a wireless plan. Then click Next. On page 3, review and check the boxes for eligibility requirements. Initial and sign. Then click Next. On page 4, you will be asked to upload documents of eligibility in whichever program you are currently enrolled in. Then click Submit.